4:30, a healthcare startup in Ann Arbor is trying to save lives through a system that reminds healthcare workers to wash their hands. Meredith Bruckner is at North Main and Depot Street in Ann Arbor with that story.
On average, 75,000 people die each year in the U.S. from infections that they picked up while they were in the hospital. That's according to the CDC. Now, a healthcare startup, BioVigil, here in Ann Arbor, is looking to drastically change those numbers.
BioVigil develops an automated hand hygiene compliance system in order to decrease healthcare-associated infections. CEO Sanjay Gupta says hand disinfecting compliance can be as low as 40% in hospitals.
We have close to 600 million hand hygiene opportunities with our customers, and the sustained hand hygiene compliance is 97%. So from day one, we are able to take the compliance from 40% to 97%. And because of that, the infections drop.
The system works by using sensors installed in hospital rooms over doorways and hand hygiene areas. And it individually monitors each patient-facing healthcare professional using a badge.
That badge knows if you have performed hand hygiene or not. So if you have not performed hand hygiene, then it will remind you through a tone or a vibration. It will remind you multiple times. And we also have studied, because of those reminders, the healthcare compliance truly goes up.
The badges give real-time feedback to the wearer and those they interact with, including changing to green when clean or red when the person has failed to properly clean their hands. BioVigil has deployed the technology in more than 50 hospitals in the U.S. and abroad and says it reduces healthcare-associated infections by 83%.
We are in a couple of children's hospitals, and they tell us that this is a lifesaver, that it gives so much comfort to the families that their patients, the kids, are taken care of properly.
The badges are assembled right here in Washtenaw County, first in Saline, and team members complete assembly in a lab in BioVigil's headquarters. Gupta says the system could be adapted to other settings like schools, cruise ships, and restaurants in the future. Reporting in Ann Arbor, Meredith Bruckner, CBS News, Detroit.